Pomegranate seed oil for skin. This oil is extracted from the seeds of pomegranates, but to use it for beauty purposes, get the pure product. Since some people may have skin irritation after using natural oils, do a patch test before using it. Simply apply 1/2 teaspoon of the oil on your inner wrist or elbow, and see how your skin feels during 1-2 hours after that. If there are no signs of irritation, you are not allergic to this oil, so you can use it safely. Pomegranate seed oil benefits for skin. 1. It nourishes your skin. This oil has great nourishing and regenerative properties, so it makes your skin healthy and glowing. Here is a nourishing face mask. You can try. Take a mixing bowl, and make a paste out of these ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of pomegranate seed oil, 2 teaspoons of colloidal oatmeal, and 1 drop of lemon oil. Apply this mask onto your face, and after 7 minutes, rinse off with warm water, followed by cool water, and pat dry your face. 2. Skin moisturization. This oil can easily penetrate the skin, so it moisturizes your dry skin nicely, and prevents the moisture from escaping. The simple way is to use a couple of drops on your face. Or you can prepare daily face oil. Take a 4 ounces glass dropper bottle, and transfer into it these ingredients: 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed oil, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and 1 tablespoon of argan oil. Mix these oils in the capped bottle, and use a couple of drops to moisturize your face. 3. Inflammation relief. Use pomegranate seed oil to relieve rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, or other inflammatory conditions. To do so, you need to wash the affected area, dry it, and simply use 2-3 drops on it. 4. Soothe your sensitive skin. The combination of moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties makes this oil very helpful in soothing sensitive skin. Blend together these ingredients: 2 teaspoons of pomegranate seed oil, 3 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 2 teaspoons of rose water. After a few seconds of blending, you will get a creamy substance. Transfer it to a clean container. Cleanse your face, and apply a pea-sized amount of this sensitive skin cream. It can be stored in the fridge for around 6 months. 5. Anti-aging. The high antioxidant content of this oil helps to deal with oxidative damage of the skin caused by free radicals, which leads to premature wrinkles and fine lines. You can use an anti-aging serum. You will need 1 tablespoon of pomegranate seed oil, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1/2 teaspoon of sea buckthorn oil, 4 ounces glass dropper bottle. Using a small funnel, transfer the ingredients into the bottle, then add 4 drops of each of the following oils into it: geranium, lavender, and carrot seed oil. Cap the bottle and shake it gently. Use 2-3 drops of the serum to massage onto your clean face and neck for 2 minutes. Apply the serum daily, before going to bed.